Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Jenny from SHKL Sanitary Wear. Today I would like to take you a quick tour to visit our booth at Shanghai KBC Fair. Now we are standing here at W2C23. Before it, let me introduce our company. SHKL was founded in 2004. We are specialized in producing bathroom furniture, LED mirror, and shower enclosure. Now we have two production bases, one in Guangdong, China, and the other one in Vietnam. We have rich experience in exporting to the overseas market. Now, mostly our customers are importers, wholesalers, retailers, and contractors. At this fair, we are listing 28 new models. Combining the trends from overseas markets, we create and design the products by ourselves. We are also introducing the new materials such as the solid surface top, Korean tops, and the glass basin. We can also design the cabinets with different patterns and colors. You can see. Okay, now let me introduce this blue set of vanity. The color can be customized so to make the same tone. The cabinet featuring a pill-shaped design. Inside it is a big drawer, very big function of storage. And here can be made of drawers. And this part can be made of a door. And over there, matching a side cabinet, has two drawers inside. So you can put many stuff to utilize the cabinet storage. So now let's see these vanities. It is also a curved design. This pattern is different. It is a super fine checker style design. It is unique and attractive. Inside it is a big drawer. And two curved side parts, we can make it a drawer too. Let's see this material of the countertop. It is Korean. This part, it is curved design too. Let's see the mirrors. The frame are using the same material. About the mirror, it has different functions with lighting and defogging. We also have the side cabinet. There's two drawers inside. These parts are wood veneer. Now let's check about these super unique design vanities. You can see it has two drawers and the drawer patterns featuring a super unique tile pattern design. It is made of plywood with melamine finish. It looks super natural and beautiful, isn't it? Here, let's open and check it out. Okay, so this is the countertop. It is solid surface with matte finish. Let's see this mirror. It is aluminum frame with backlighting. It also has two functions, the fog and lightning. Now let's see these vanities. You can see the wood feature, the whole color tone matches very harmonious and it makes you feel warm and comfortable at your bathroom. Let's see the mirror. The mirror frame, it is made of solid wood. It matches the pattern of the cabinet profile. You can see the countertop. It is Korean top. It looks like the stone pattern. Feels very smooth. This part, it is made of plywood with melamine finish. And here, we use solid wood with lacquers. The wood grain is very natural and beautiful. This cabinet has total 6 drawers. 2 side drawers, 1 flip down drawer, 1 middle drawer, and 2 side drawers. It is very modern and functional. If you are interested in our products, please contact us for the quote. There are even more products at our booth. These products are designed to be modern and practical, with a focus on a strong storage function. In terms of details, we offer a variety of colors, countertop options, basin style, hardware, and finish options to meet the needs of different markets. For importers, wholesalers, retailers, and project buyers, these products are easier to promote and suitable for long-term sales programs. We offer OEM and ODM service for our customers, with customized development based on your company positioning and project needs. Here you can see these are the color swatch of the cabinets. You can choose different color and pattern to design your cabinets to offer different options and variety for your customers and different product needs. If you are interested in our product, welcome to contact us or visit our booth. We are at W2C23 to discuss more opportunity for cooperation. Thank you. Bye.